Hello, Dave Austin here. This is the homepage for our 18th edition Amendment 2 classroom resource, which gives direct access to the main video content from our online course and is designed to help you add an extra dimension to your classroom-based 18th edition teaching. You can see that there's a content ribbon for each part of the regs, including the new Part 8. Clicking on an image will launch the player. Key functions of the player include a full screen option, so you can view me in all my enlarged glory on the classroom display screen. There's also an express play option that, when active, means the video will proceed automatically to the next one in the sequence. To the left, there are other videos within the part you're looking at. Clicking here will take you directly to the chosen video. To return to the Classroom Resource homepage, just close the video that's playing. If you are someone who has enrolments to other Learning Lounge hosted content, you can navigate to the Classroom Resource by clicking on the Tab Suite and then on the Classroom Resource under here. The great thing about our videos is the effort we've made to visit as many real-world locations and installations as possible to bring the regs to life, and also to demonstrate the reasons behind them and the practical implications. Whether it's fun fairs or a detailed explanation of the principles of protection against electric shock, there's something for you and your students in our media-rich content. Don't forget, you, your students and apprentices can also get cost-effective access to the 18th edition Amendment 2 online course. It's a great solution for fully independent distance learning or tutor-supported blended learning. Please get in touch if you have any questions. See you soon.